Hey people, instead of doing my homework, I'm making this video, okay? So I
Ow, it throat.
I'm gonna show you Richie making some weird noises, and once in a blue moon you'll hear a horn, okay? But stop, bro.
I'm looking for you to scare you or people. Ow.
Now a word from Fishy Friends.
Tickle me your son. Tickle me your son.
Hello, Fishy Friends. What's up? Did you just say what's a little nigger? Oh, you guys didn't hear that, okay? You didn't hear that. Okay, okay, hello, Fishy Friends. Do you have some words for us today?
That just got blood on it, bro.
Richie just spit it on his shirt and now it's pink. Ew.
Watch. Tickle me your son. Make me laugh. I'm gonna be like a horn.
Hello, Fishy Friends. Do you have some words for us today?
You smell like shit.
He said you smell like Now back to Richie.
Tickle me. So I tell you I sound like a horn.
This video is brought to you by Golden Door. I'm just saying random stuff. Ew, good thing you can't blow your breath in the camera. Oh, you guys want to see a creepy toy? It might wait. This toy might look cute, but after you have it, the eyes. Shut up! The eyes. Stop. Get out. The eyes follow you. Look. It looks cute, right? But look at the eyes. They follow you. And now I want to show you how my weird voice is. Ready? While staring at Richie, I'm going to show you how my weird voice is. Say goodbye, Teddy. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Teddy.
Goodbye, Teddy. Richie! Goodbye, Teddy. I meant to say just goodbye.
Goodbye, Teddy.
Say goodbye. Let's end this real quick. You ruined it. You are an idiot. Go back to what are you doing? Richie, you put the camera upside down. Someone's coming. Well, goodbye, people. Gotta do my homework. Bye. I love you all, except for the ugly people. I'm just kidding. Haters gonna hate. Goodbye. Always hate pink, even though my room is pink. But goodbye.